Yes, this is Dupes, the genius. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank the Lord for giving me this brain that is to launch my project online. I am a mathematics teacher and a tutor, but I am on my own. I just want to teach and help learners in mathematics, because without mathematics, you are nothing. So guys, I just want to show you or prepare you for the coming examinations. So guys, we are now going to deal with paper 1. Paper 1, question 1. And let me put it here. You can see here we have functions. Now these functions need to be solved. Question 1, always, guys, you must remember that question 1 always is solve for x. It's either you solve the equations or inequality. There will be one inequality. And the next portion is you are going to solve a simultaneous equation. And the last one is always a quiz on solutions. So guys, I just want us to take this one. It says solve for x. Now 1.1.1, you have x in bracket, x minus 4, close bracket, equal sign, 4 minus x. Now, how do we solve this? Let's get on the job. Yes, that is x into x. Let me write. That is x into x minus 4 equals 4 minus x. Now, what do we do here? The first thing that we need to do is we need to work this out. But how? Okay, let me just adjust this. All right, we do this by checking on our first line. We have brackets. What does that mean? We need to get rid of the brackets. That is multiplication. Now that it will be done on the left hand side. So that will be x multiplied by x, and that will give you x squared. And then this x multiplied by -4, it will give you -4x. And then the equal sign, and then here you have 4 minus x. So what next? The highest degree is this one, that is x squared. And it is positive. Now there is no need to transpose it to the other side, but what is needed is to take this to that side. Let's do it. On this side we have x squared minus 4x, and then we transpose that to that other side, then it becomes plus x. It changes the sign when it gets to that side, and this one is positive, is going to be -4. Remember, what you do when you transpose to the other side, you always change the sign. If you add it, you have to subtract. If you multiply it, you have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So guys, let us write this by, yeah, let's collect like terms. This will be x squared. This and that gives you 3x, and then minus 4 equals 0. Now, the trick is we need to write this in standard form. We need to write that in standard form. This is our standard form. What is the standard form? Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, which is our a is 1, and then our b is minus 3, our c is minus 4. C is always a constant. Fine. Now, how do we do this? By using, don't try to factorize if you don't know how to factorize. Use quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula, this is minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, mind you, our a, let me show you. Our a is equal to 1. Our b is equal to negative 3. And then our c is equal to negative 4. Now let's substitute here. This will be minus, our b is minus 3. And then plus minus, b is minus 3 all squared minus 4. Our a is 1, and then c is minus 4. It's minus 4. Then this is all over 2 into a. Your a is 1. Now, therefore, your x will be equal to, this is positive 3 plus minus the square root of, this is 9, then negative 16, 9 plus 16, that gives you 25, all over 2. Now, therefore, your x is equal to, what is the square root of 25? The square root of 25 is, the square root of 25 is 5, guys. Now, this will be 3 plus 5 over 2, or x will be equal to 3 minus 5 all over 2. Fine. Now let's calculate this. This is 8 over 2. Half of 8 is 4. Or 3 minus 5. That gives you minus 2. Minus 2 divided by that. Your x will be equal to negative 1. That's it. That's it. Now, let's check whether they are solutions or not. How do we check that? We go back. Let's say for x is 4. Then we get here. Substitute. 4 minus 4 is 0. Multiplied by 4 is 0. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, 0 will be equal to 0. Then the equation balances. Therefore, x is equal to 4 is the correct answer. We still remember that we have another one, which is x is equal to minus 1. So guys, what we do here is, this is minus 1. It will be minus 1 minus that is minus 10 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 multiplied by that is positive 5. Now, 4 minus -1. It will be +1, then +4, that will be 5. Therefore, they are both solutions. Both solutions. That's it. They are both solutions. So, guys, this is the first one. This is how we do it. Now, let us check on the second. Let's check on the second. I think this we can do it in no time. We have 2x squared plus x minus that. Then 2x squared minus, yes, that is plus x, yeah, plus x, 2x squared plus x, then minus 5 equals 0. Now, how do we do that? Let us check. Let us check. How do we get the factors? The factors of this is 2x and x. Then for 5 we have 5 and 1. This is 5 and is 2 and then 5. Then there are no, the terms will never be that. Now, therefore, we are going to use the quadratic formula. Now, this, you are going to use that. So, guys, I want you to know this by heart. Now, what you need to do now, I am just going to show you what to do. Our A is equal to 2. Our A is equal to 2. And then our B is equal to, 1. Our C is equal to -5. Now, let us just make sure that you substitute that correctly. So, calculate and then give the values of this. Just calculate and then give us the values. X is equal to that. So, guys, this is how you do it. You know what you need to do, guys? Mathematics is so simple. It needs your understanding and nothing else. Nothing else, guys. So let us go on doing it. Let us go on doing it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, guys, this is it. Let us do it. Let us make sure that we understand what we are doing before anything. I normally use USA. What is USA? Understanding, speed, and accuracy. You have to understand what you do, understand the questions, know what it needs, and then you must work as fast as you can, but what you do, you must do it accurately. That is USA. Understanding, speed, and accuracy. And the last thing that you need to do is triple check. Check it 3 times. The first one, correct the mistakes. And then the second one, you browse and check whether you still have some mistakes there. And then lastly, that's it. So guys, this is Mudupi the genius on the show, Maths Mania. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I would love you to share the Telegram channel that I will post this video to. So make sure that others learn. Make sure that you share this video